What's up, guys? Mad Life coming at you again. March 7th, 2021. It's a beautiful day outside, about 55 degrees, no clouds in sight. And we're going to hit the track today. They got the track open for test and tune. So we got all the cars cleaned up. Ruby's obviously back up and running. We're going to take her out for the first time. We're going to see if we can't get some smack talking going on.
Some grudge racing.
Maybe some money racing going on. We're going to hit the road, and we'll see y'all at the track. Hey, we're here. What up, guys? It's Drew.
Man, that's all up in my face.
Drew. It's Drew, baby. He here.
How big is that camera? Does it show?
Beautiful.
Oh, wow. You get up in somebody's face. I guess because the camera's so small.
My phone's connected to it.
Yeah, anyway, Drew here. He needs some C85, so we got him to hook
the guys hooked me up.
Yeah. We're going to make some passes in his car.
I got to hook y'all up. I got enough money for that.
What? Oh, there go Joe Blow over there.
What do y'all call it?
No, Lucas Black from Lucas. Yeah, knock off. Washed up Lucas Black, man.
Let me give y'all 20 later.
Okay. You're a real thug.
He laying down. He laying down like in a Caprice.
That man look like he's 12.
What's that?
Lucas Black. Boy, it ain't that warm yet. On the camera, they look like they glowing. What are you doing?
Waiting on all these bikes to get out of the way.
Good luck. Jesus. Y'all know what a water hose is?
That's where it's set out up under a tree.
Well, hell, let it rain on it. That'll help some.
It's been sitting out from up under a tree for like 3 months. The rain didn't touch it.
So what happened?
I left it in sport mode. It didn't get out of first gear. My car went to 9,500 RPMs. It's not supposed to be.
Transmissions be killing it. Oh.
6 R80's been killing it. No, he left that sport
What's
mode.
going on? Hey, I heard that it sounds real good. Now I can't. The picture didn't see
Yeah. I got it on video, but
you got a real good one with you in there.
Yeah, you need to delete that video. You need to delete that LP, sir. I like the one with that.
gotta show it. Boy, you need a haircut. We told you we'd get you on the channel eventually.
Don't see if it's full.
Everybody, this is Jess. This is the neighbor from down the road. Good friend of ours, one of our LS buddies. All hand done and tuned by Mr. Jess himself. Everything on this truck is done by Jess. This is the first time out with her. New parts, new suspension, I think. I don't know what all he's got going on, but he's about to attempt for the first time to see if he can actually get the spool.
He about to spool it up. What's going on, y'all? Huh? What's up?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I'm here with the one and only Jess Gillum. Jess, how did you feel about that pass? It's all right. Do you know what to do with your hands, sir?
I'm not sure what to do with my hands.
Be good just to hold him down by your side.
No, I don't. He don't know what to do with his hands. You just kind of put them down here. And just... A lot of people said that truck should not have beat that car. I seen it. I seen it do it.
Truck surprises people.
Could you tell us what you did different?
Everything.
Everything. He did everything different.
I literally stated it when I was walking around it earlier. I was like, he changed this, maybe that. That looks new.
They said, y'all need to know what's been changed. It's just been changed.
He ain't said it yet.
Photography wife.
Is that even English?
Photography wife.
Photographer.
Photography wife.
All right, y'all. That's it for the day. No grudge racing. Nothing dramatic. Nothing. No arguing. Just a little fun time out. We are about to go get something to eat and call it a day.
Hello.
What y'all think? Hey, pretty. What you tell them?
I got so many things I can tell them when you want me to tell them.
Close out the video, fool.
Alright, folks. Not a lot really happened today at the track, but it was fun getting out the house for sure. Join us next time. We may have something during the week come up, some content. Maybe, maybe not. But there will be some content coming soon on something. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We're going to eat some food. Some Metro Diner there in Madison, Alabama. Good stuff. I got chicken and waffles. Don't laugh at me for eating chicken and waffles. I like chicken and waffles. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, let it notify you when we post a video, and we'll catch you on the flip side.